In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer email notifications for successful payments and refunds on Stripe. This is a crucial feature that ensures your customers are always in the loop regarding their transactions. Whether you're managing a small online store or overseeing a large e-commerce platform, sending timely and accurate transaction emails can enhance trust and improve customer experience. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Stripe's website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so using your credentials. Your dashboard is the hub where all the magic happens, and from here, you'll have a host of options to manage your payments, customers, and more. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Settings. This will open up a myriad of configuration options for your Stripe account, so take a moment to browse through if you're curious. But for now, we're focusing on enabling email notifications. Within the Settings menu, select Business. This section includes various settings specific to your business operations on Stripe, like branding, information, and communication preferences. Next, under the Business settings, locate Customer Emails. This is where you can configure how and when Stripe communicates with your customers about their payments. To ensure your customers receive notifications about their transactions, you'll need to toggle on two specific options: successful payments and refunds. The successful payments option will automatically email a receipt to your customers whenever a payment goes through successfully. Similarly, the refunds option ensures that whenever you process a refund, your customer gets a notification about it. These notifications serve to keep your customers informed and reduce potential concerns or queries about the status of their payments and refunds. And that's it for our setup. You've successfully enabled Stripe to send automated emails for successful payments and refunds, ensuring that your customers receive all the important transaction information they need directly in their inbox. As easy as that might seem, it'll significantly impact how your customer views your efficiency and transparency. Remember, taking a few moments to ensure such details are handled properly can drastically reduce the chances of confusion or disputes in the future. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and that you feel more confident in managing your Stripe settings. Don't hesitate to explore other features in Stripe, as there are many more tools to help optimize your business operations. Thank you for watching, and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials and tips.